Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
Hello and welcome. Your home business built in your niche. Now, to those people who are not quite sure about it, a niche is simply the area that you want to concentrate on, whether it be health, wealth, slimming, anything of this nature, exercise, gardening, or whatever it is. This is a particular area that you want to build a business in. And what I have to offer you today is exactly this perfect system. My name is Bill Morrow, and I am here after 9 years of searching and have found that system which works perfectly for me. And I know it'll work perfectly for you as well. So all you have to do is simply get this system, and then it guides you step by step right through the whole process. It's purely in video form, so that you simply watch it at your pace. You watch, you can re-watch, you then carry out the instructions that are on the video, and this allows you then to build as you go along. And when you've finished, you have your complete business set up. And this is the way I've done it. This is the way it's suggested to be done. And this is what I found to be so good. Because right from the very start, I've learned exactly how to do everything. And that's what you can do as well. So over the next few days, possibly, if you're going to click on the link below and get onto my list, and what I tell you I will do, I will simply give you more information about the whole process. I'll tell you how it's actually done, and I will in fact show you how it's actually done. So the process will be there for you to see. It's a case of anyone can do this. It doesn't matter how old, how young, how inexperienced you are. Irrelevant. It doesn't matter, because it caters for everyone in this system. So there is no objections. The only thing that can go wrong is, in fact, if you not carrying out the work that is there. But if you want to get a business, if you want to start a business, and this is the perfect time for this to happen, this is it. So what I suggest is, you click the link below, and I will then, you will come onto my list, and then I will follow up on this, and I'll give you more information so that you can at any time contact me to get additional information, directions and instructions, and I will see that you succeed. All you have to do is to carry out the work, and the answer is you will have a new business. As simple as that. So click on the link below, and I will then guide you through the various stages so that you will know exactly what's going to happen. So see you shortly.
Don't delay. Click the link below to join our team today.